So hi, my name is Ritika and I'm coming from Enable India organization. So I'm working as a consultant for person with low vision. So today I came here as HG Technology Private Limited. So here they provided all of us the Aura vision glasses because as I am a person with low vision, so I tried to use it. So it is very amazing for me because after wearing it, I adjust the magnification and I adjust the color. So earlier when I'm unable to see far away, right? I can't read the bus numbers, I can't read the what is written on the board, can't recognize the people's facial expression. But when I wear it, this Aura Vision glasses, I found it myself. It is very helpful. So I can adjust the magnification level. I can read the text on even on laptop, on board. Even I can see so what is there inside the laptop, and it is very helpful to know about what is happening on your surrounding. So as a person with low vision, we can't make out anything. Okay, what is my surrounding? Okay, my left side, my in front, we can see only colors but we can't make out anything. So for me as a person with low vision, it is very helpful. Now I'm very sure I can travel independently to see the bus numbers and train number. So thank you so much SHC Technology Company, and also I'm very grateful to the Dalmia who is sponsored for this. Thank you so much.